Welcome back, my fellow Watchateers. It's unboxing time. I got a new package in the mail, as I mentioned in my last video, and this one is going to be a project. It's going to be a project for somebody. I do not want to reveal who, because if he sees it, or she, surprise over. So we are going to unbox this bad boy and let's see what we got. So let's change perspective and then open up the box. So now we're here on the table of truth, and it is a fairly large box for a fairly small watch. So don't know what to expect, but let's unbox it. Let's open it up and see what's inside. So, oh yeah, there it is. And it is a Seiko. Dum dum dum. It's a Seiko. It's a watch I was hunting for a few weeks now, because this one is sold out almost everywhere, and places like Chrono24 or other places are charging premium for this one, and I don't know why, because it was a watch that was priced at 129 bucks. I don't know if you see this, and now it's sold for 160, 170, sometimes over 200. And I found this one at a local watch dealer in Bavaria for 110 bucks, and I had to jump on it because I need this watch for a project, and it must be this one. So let's see what we got. Okay, let's open up this bad boy. So let's see what we got here. It is a box in a box. Typically Seiko. Let's open up the box. There is paperwork. We don't need that. What we want is in here. Hopefully not another box. So let's open this one. It is a Snkk87. And it is gorgeous. It is gorgeous. Let's see. Oh yeah, look at that cream dial. Let's see if you see this. I will put some insert shots so you can see it from close-up perspective. This one is the Snkk87 with the crown at 3 o'clock, obviously, and this one is it's going to be it is a very rare piece. It wasn't a rare piece all the time, because they were everywhere, but few months after I saw it for the first time, they are now gone, and they are now sold out. Not a single piece of this model at Amazon or the other retailers. I didn't find it anywhere other than Chrono24 and the shop where I bought it, and it isn't that great of a piece. I mean, it is a great Seiko. It is a 7S26 movement, and it's a 20mm lug width, and it's a gorgeous dial and day-date complication, but it's not like a SKX or something. But they have a decent following, otherwise they wouldn't charge 160 and upwards for it. But yeah, I need this one for a project. This is going to be modded. I ordered the dial already, and I'm so excited for this one. Yeah, but let's check out the watch itself. We got a, as I said, 20mm lug width. It is a 38-ish diameter. It is a 36 diameter, 36 mil diameter, 20mm lug width. Yep. And it is high-tech calibration tool here. It is only 11, not even 11 millimeters thick. So it is a very nice thin dress style watch with the crown at 3 o'clock and awesome crown guards. It's polished on the sides, brushed on the top, and polished bezel. It is, as I said, the 7S26 movement, so no hacking, no hand winding, but that's okay. And yeah, you got this yeah, bracelet thingy. It is I would not even call it a bracelet. I mean, the bracelet has a thickness of 2, 3, 4 millimeters at least, at 2, 3, 4 millimeters maximum. And it feels cheap. It feels really cheap, even with the plastic on it. But let's peel off the plastic and let's see what we got here. You can't even peel it off because it's through the lock holes. Wow, way to go, Seiko! Pulling the plastic through the lock holes. Let's see. Yeah. I've seen Casios with better bracelets than this one. Yeah, it's this is the first thing that needs to go. This is the first thing of the watch that lands in the bin, because there is going to be an awesome leather strap on it in the future. I still need to order that one, but at first I wanted to do all the technic work, all the dial replacement work before I put it on the leather strap, because important things first. You got the standard Seiko pressed clasp and with double pusher, and it tapers from 20 down to 18. Let's put it on wrist and let's see how it wears. Yeah, it wears like I thought it would. It's a hair puller. It's not comfortable at all, but the watch itself is gorgeous. And this is the one, this is the thing I wanted, is the watch head, not the bracelet, because the bracelet, as I said, is the first thing that needs to go. But otherwise, it's a decent watch, and it's a 7S26 movement, so I'm happy with that. I could swap it for an NH36, but I think that would the project to elevate the project to a cost factor that is not appropriate anymore. I will keep the dial. I will keep it for future projects, because this dial is also very gorgeous. It is like a champagne dial, and it is gorgeous. I have to admit that. And let's see. First position, date and day works perfectly well. Second position works also perfectly well. I need to see, I need to check the accuracy on this one, so I will wear it a few days before I modify it, because if the accuracy isn't where I want it to be, I will maybe have to regulate it or send it back or whatever. But let's see. We will see about that. This one is going to be a very awesome piece in the end, and I hope the one who's getting it is also impressed as hell. And yeah, let's see what we end up with. And yeah, this is the Snkk87. If you want one of those, there are still a few around, but they are getting hard to find. They are getting hard to find, and I think they went out of production because otherwise there would be many of them left in stock, but I think they went out of production. So if you want one, don't pay premium. $110 is the maximum I want to pay for that one. Okay, maybe 120 because it was MSRP 129, but this is the absolute maximum I would pay for this watch. But for $110, put it on a new strap. It's a no-brainer. It's an awesome watch, and it looks good, it wears comfortable, at least with another strap. But yeah, let's see how this project is going to be, how this project is going to turn out. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. I hope you liked the video. If you do so, then please subscribe, like the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, bye bye.